Vybz Kartel extend his appreciation for the US Embassy for the way they handled his visa application, specifically acknowledging a gentleman who treated him with the utmost respect and understanding throughout the process. Now, Kartel said that they recognize his desire to be present at the Grammys, and here's what Kartel had to say basically.
People, I'm telling you something. God is the greatest, and not no be time. Always remember to do good. Good I will follow you. God is the greatest. Big up that kind gentleman at the embassy. When we got there on Tuesday or Monday, I spoke to him on Tuesday, and I spoke to him a while ago. And he gave me good words of encouragement. So big up to that man at the embassy. Big up the US Embassy. Big up Gaza Nation. God is the greatest. Never forget. What is under my nose? I'm out. People.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Vybz Kartel has officially dropped the highly anticipated deluxe edition of his Viking album, which is to mark the 10-year anniversary. And as expected, it delivers. I have already confirmed 2 certified hits, God is the Greatest and It a Tape. Now for me, God is the Greatest is definitely shaping up to be one of the biggest songs in 2025, especially with plans for Kartel to return to the US and shoot a music video in the snow. And meanwhile, we'll have It a Tape. It's one of the songs for the street, and I mean it's a really good reminder that people need right now, because Vybz Kartel still have that lyrical firepower, and I mean World Boss still dropping those lyrical bombs. So the Viking album has already skyrocketed to the #1 spot on iTunes top 100 reggae albums, and with Straight Vibes leading the reggae charts at #2 and I'm Out holding down the #3 spot. So Vybz Kartel kicks off the song with a powerful message and says, no one knows what you're going through, count your blessings. So Kartel is basically saying that people really understand the struggles others face, so instead of dwelling on negativity, focus on positive, big or small. Gratitude and perseverance is key.
God is the greatest. No matter what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah.
So Vybz Kartel said that today is a new day, give thanks for life, all praises to the Most High. We are saved and sanctified. So Kartel is basically expressing his unwavering faith in God, and I mean recognizing that his blessings come from the higher power, God himself. So Kartel said right now him remains spiritually protected and refuses to be shaken by any negative energy. So all of the bad man people them step aside, and I mean the enemy will not see him break.
Well, today is a new day, give thanks to life. All praises to the Lord, me safe and me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me a whole a vibe. With red boom teacher and moon in my born to fight.
So Vybz Kartel said that the Lord is around me and the blessings of the Lord surround me. So Vybz Kartel is basically saying that he is highly favored by God, and I mean, and God is shielding him, and he's committed to doing what is right. Now, doesn't matter what your opinion is, he will keep his faith and he will be grounded.
And the Lord is around us, in blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go and show love. And the Lord is around us, in blessings surround us. Me not care who like me just a go and show love.
So Vybz Kartel is reflecting on his journey. Vybz Kartel said, far me I come from, what a journey. It's a good thing God got me. So Kartel knows that he has been through trials and tribulation, but he's still standing, and he believes he has a purpose to inspire and uplift the youths and urging them to stay close to God and never lose that faith in God.
Far me I come from, what a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel it. For me I come from, life has meaning. Get a youth keep on believing. So see it and feel.
Alright, so the next song we're going to kick off is Vybz Kartel, It a Tape. And Kartel kicks off the song and said, turn it on, let it video. you're a hater, but guess what? Vybz Kartel is giving you grace because Vybz Kartel know that it's probably in your DNA and you get it from your father who got bad mind from his father. You see me? So no hard feelings. You see me? So Vybz Kartel don't want the negativity and Vybz Kartel is dismissing all of that with ease.
Turn it on, make it video. TikTok, IG, Vimeo. See your bad mind, but me see with you. I hear me. Little Vybz, it a tape. Yeah. Laws are no rape. Loud the little picnic, them not touchy, so I agree. Remember out the road, say pussy dash wet in a paint. But no left your condom, what she see now, what she see.
Vybz Kartel said, it a tape. Gaza no grape. Leave the kids alone. Don't touch the sour grape. Kartel is making it clear. Do not exploit the children. You know what I mean? Because that is unacceptable. And Kartel is taking a strong moral stance right now. Let the kids grow and develop naturally and don't rob them of their innocence.
Laws are no real. The wow your pussy tight is like me rocking at a safe. She tell me says she want to use my comfy face pain. Freaks never die, them replicate the place straight. One burner and the whole place shake. Some of them a talk about say me say them mediate. All my granny say me can't give pussy a break. But I bill me a bill and go on pile up the safe.
So Vybz Kartel say yo to how the girl tight, him feel like him a breaking her safe. You see me? So Kartel make you know say yo, mom's well tight and he come like say yo, you might breaking her safe because but guess what? He might eventually drop it in and you know say that muscle there go grip. You see me? So unlike his past, you know, woman Shorty, Kartel say yo, him have chill a load of a girl, but him a focus man see them right now. One burner, that's his priority, and the focus is just see them and him must stack up the money and him no one cause no unnecessary drama because him granny don't know say yo, him love your woman them.
Me go prison, me escape. The gal them era, no wear brief, no wear cape. Me love the tick gal, the bumper with the pure shape. Me love the maga gal, your body flat, it just straight. Me drop the straight vibes and sell 1,000 plus crate. In a one day, every retailer frustrate. Gamble with the teacher and your money show for double. Coulda 99 came and a spark in a trouble. It a tape, yeah. Laws are no real.
Vybz Kartel said, me go prison and escape. The girl them hero, me no wear cape. So basically Kartel attack about the legal battle. You know what I mean? Because I say, yo, him dodge a bullet by not being in prison for 35 years thanks to Isaac Buchanan and the 238 blueprint that Isaac Buchanan draw for him to free him. So Vybz Kartel say, yo, him is the girl hero, but make it clear. And them the type of hero they will wear cape. You know what I mean? A different type of hero. Because we can take your girl and take her up on our cruise and make she live like queen. You see me? Yes, him a break hearts. Them the type of hero.